So have you ever really wondered how much YouTube pays for 500 views? Well, this might seem like a small number, but the truth is why some get to earn high with this little number, some actually get to end low. But hold on, don't go ahead and start calculating your money right away, because you saw $10 CPM and then you just go ahead and apply 55% on it thinking that your money is $5.5. No, a lot of factors will actually determine how much you will get from your own share. Now, before I continue, I want to clear up some things. It's important to know that there are a lot of factors that determines how much you will earn as a creator. Do you understand? As a creator, I might earn $5 for 500 views, while another creator might be earning like up to $10 in a 500 views video. Another creator, on the other hand, might be earning less than $1 for a 500 views video. So a lot of things actually go into place in considering how much you earn as a creator. Therefore, what this means is that how much you earn as a YouTuber depends on your RPM, that's revenue per mil. So this is the major thing that even determines how much you will get. It is also important to note that for every 500 views, you should know that not everybody viewed your ads. Some people go ahead to use ad blockers. That means ad won't come up and you are losing money from that video. That means the watch, their views will actually count, but then the ad is not counting. Let me go into my analytics and then let me show you how much I actually earned from a 500 views video, and then you see the factors that actually determined my earnings. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's head on to my analytics now. This is a sewing channel, right? Then this is the video. So you can see this video is an 8-minute video. Okay, the ranking of this video ranks 2 of 10. That's from the video performance. It ranks 2 of 10. Views, it has 522 views, and you can see the green arrow showing up, meaning there's an improvement. Impression click-through rate 6.4%, which is also high. Now let me touch it so that we'll see what it says. Now you can see it says, great job, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. Okay, let's go back. Now average view duration is 4 minutes 23 seconds. That's the average view duration. Okay, so this is it. This video has gotten 522 views since it was published. Okay, this is it. What else? Watch hour, it has gotten 38.2 watch hours. It has gotten 3 subscribers. Okay, now let's see how viewers found this video. You see why I tell you that it's good to put your videos in a playlist. So the traffic source, we have playlists which had 189 views. YouTube recommendation had 152 views. YouTube search had 89 views. Channel pages had 33 views. Then others had 58 views. Now let's look at the audience retention. Now you can see the average view duration is 4 minutes, right? And this is like 53.8%. So let's say 54%, right? Okay, now let's look at it. This video has, you can see intro, top moment, and then 2 spikes, and there is no dip. So let's look at the top moment. Top moment, it says nice work, this part of the video kept your viewers watching for longer time. And when is the top moment is at what time? Let's see. If I want to see this top moment, I'll just click here. It will take me, let me click on it. Okay, so this is it. Our top moment is at 5 minutes 48 seconds. That's the top moment. Now let's look at the spikes. It has 2 spikes. So spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching, or sharing moments of your videos. And then this video had 2 spikes, which I think is a very good thing. So one was at 2 minutes, while the second one was at 5 minutes. So let's look at dip. Did it have any dip? This video doesn't have significant dips. Now dips is basically when people abandon your video. So that's the dip. Okay, let's go back. Let's see, the reach, it had 3.8k impression. Like, YouTube actually pushed this video. Audience by watch behavior, new viewers were 62%. That's to show that YouTube actually pushed this video to new viewers. Then casual viewers 24.5%, regular viewers 13.2%. That's those that were always coming back. Okay, now let's look. Viewers also watch, these are the videos they also watched, and all these videos are basically the videos in the playlist. So device watched, mobile 60%, computer 38, TV 0.8, tablet 0.1. So there's no age, no gender, like they've not published it yet. Now let's look at the top geographies. Like, this is where I was coming to. Top geography, you know, where the location of people watching your video actually determines your earnings, right? Now look at it. Nigeria had 28%, United States had 6.6%, Netherlands had 2%. Now that is to, since Nigeria is the one topping the chart, you should expect that my earnings will be cool, but not that much. If United States was the one that had this 28%, you should have been expecting that I'll be earning huge. Okay, let's go to the earning revenue. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is what I earned. I earned $3.49, and then let's see, the RPM of this video is $7.10. So this is what YouTube is willing to pay me. If I have up to 1,000 views, that means I'm expected to be getting around $7. How much are advertisers paying? Advertisers are paying $9.94. That is the CPM, and of which I think is very cool, like compared to my other videos that have been having low CPM. Okay, let's look at the earnings by ad type. You know, we have different ad types. We have skippable ad, display, and all that. So the skippable video ad gave me 76.5%. Wow, thank you so much for those who did not skip my ad. Like, this actually means a whole lot to me. Then we have display ad 15%, non-skippable ad 4.9%, bumper ad 3%, skippable video ad reserved 0.2%. So this is basically I earned $3.49 from just 500 views. Now I believe from this video you now know how much one can earn from a 500 view videos, and you now know what goes into it, why some can earn higher and some can earn lower. If you know you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.